Hi guys, and welcome to another tutorial video on how to fix no valid QR code detected on WhatsApp. I'm Yakin from Create Login and Delete, and let's get started. So if you're encountering this issue, it may indicate an issue with the QR code scanner or the code itself. So here are some troubleshooting steps that you can try to resolve the problem. So the first step is obviously verifying the QR code. Ensure that you are scanning the correct QR code generated by WhatsApp. Make sure it's not damaged or disordered. And the second step would be proper lighting conditions. Of course, it's not a big deal, but then sometimes poor lighting can hinder the scanning process. So ensure that you have adequate lighting and try scanning the QR code once again. And if the camera conditions are all well fine, then try restarting WhatsApp. Close WhatsApp completely and relaunch the app. This can help resolve temporary glitches or bugs that may be causing the error. And if that doesn't help, then try updating WhatsApp. Check if there's any update available for WhatsApp in your device's App Store or Google Play Store. Updating to the latest version can often fix bugs and improve the app's performance. So head to your Google Play Store or an App Store and look if any update is available. But if your app is well up to date but you're still facing the issue, then try clearing apps cache. But this is specifically on Android only. So on Android devices, you can try clearing the cache. For that, open up your phone settings, and from here, select Apps or Apps Management. Now search for WhatsApp and open it. Now from here, tap on Storage option. And right here, you'll be able to see Clear Cache option at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Once the cache has been cleared, relaunch the app and try scanning the QR code once again. And if this fails as well, if all else fails, you can try uninstalling WhatsApp from your device and then reinstalling it. This can help resolve any underlying issues with the app. But if none of the methods help you resolve the issue, it might be helpful to reach out to WhatsApp support team for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on the version of WhatsApp you're using and any known issues. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to us for more great content. Thanks for watching.